Hi, my name is Joe Fox and I'm the president of Train Smart Personal Fitness. Many of us are sitting a lot more than we're used to because of shelter in place. And many of us are on video calls all day long. You may experience some low back stiffness or even some low back pain. So what I want to do right now is to give you a quick movement snack to get you up out of your chair, to get you moving, to light up your brain like a Christmas tree, and to give you some mobility. This is very simple, it's very safe, it's very quick, just to kind of break up your day and offset all of that sitting that you're doing. This is a 3D matrix that comes from Dr. Gary Gray and was taught to me by Dr. Michael Geraci. So our first exercise, and there's only going to be 3, is I'm going to stand with my feet hip width apart, and I'm going to make 90-degree angles with my lower arms and my upper arms. I'm going to pull my hips forward and bend back, and I'm going to drive my elbow to the back wall, fist to the ground, and come back up to standing. Drive the elbow to the back floor, fist to the ground, and come up standing. I'm going to go ahead and knock some of these out. Hips forward, elbow to the back wall, fist to the ground. Elbow to the back wall, fist to the ground. What's really nice about that is I'm getting some extension instead of flexion into my lower back to offset sitting. And I'm also getting some extension into my thoracic spine and maybe even retilting my scapula in a good way. Let me show you a side view of that exercise. My hips are coming forward. I'm bending back, driving the elbow to the back wall, fist to the ground. Good, so that's our first exercise. Our next exercise, we're going to go a little bit side to side. I'm going to stand in an athletic stance as if somebody was trying to push me and I was trying to hold my ground, or maybe as if I was a linebacker for the Buffalo Bills. So I'm kind of pulling the floor apart, my hips are coming back, and almost like a pendulum, I'm going to push my hip over to the side and kind of come up into this 90-degree angle with my upper arm and lower arm. And I'm going to go to the other side. I can really feel my hips stretching. Great for hip mobility. I'm going to go side to side to side. I'm pushing my right hip all the way over to the right, pushing my left hip all the way over to the left. I'm keeping both of my feet planted. Okay, and for our third and last exercise for this quick movement snack, I'm going to do kind of like a martial arts rotation here. So here I am, once again in that same athletic stance. I'm feeling the ground, I'm pulling my hips back. I've got my 90-degree angles. I'm going to row my right hand to my lower rib cage. I'm going to pivot on my right foot, turning my left foot, and I'm kind of throwing a punch here. Notice I'm keeping my hips and shoulders together as if a 2x4 was nailed from my rib cage to my hips, and I'm going to pronate here. I'm going to get back to center. Bam. Bam. Really rotate hips and shoulders. For you golfers, this is exactly where your hip would be if you were swinging through the golf ball if you were right-handed. And this is exactly where your hips would be if you were swinging through the golf ball and you were left-handed. Just a few more. Bam. Bam. Big inhale. And there you go. There is a quick movement snack designed to get you out of your chair, to get you moving, to light up your brain like a Christmas tree, and to give you some mobility. I hope that that helped, and I hope that you can use that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that helpful.